Hello, I'm Ethan Anderson, a rising sophomore at Clemson University, currently studying computer science. This summer, I had the opportunity to work with Dr. Chang and his team on the ICOAR project, with ICOAR standing for Integrative Cyberinfrastructure for Online Abuse Research. With social media sites continuing to grow at a rapid pace, so do the incidents of online abuse and harassment. So of course, the tools needed to detect, study, and prevent these issues have become needed more and more. In recent times especially, artificial intelligence and machine learning models have grown greatly in performance and have been shown to be excellent tools for both sentiment and toxicity detection, making them highly desirable to social and behavioral scientists who wish to study online abuse. However, these social and behavioral scientists often lack the expertise needed to build and train these models themselves. ICOAR aims to build the infrastructure needed to accelerate other researchers' ability to explore instances of cyber harassment. ICOAR has become a large platform for online abuse research and can actually be broken down into a few layers. At the bottom is the most foundational layer, which is the tool libraries. Each library has a very specific function. One is used to scrape data from Twitter, while another can take annotated data and show which topics are closely related. ICOAR ultimately unites all of these libraries into one cohesive place where they can be accessed and used in tandem easily. The next layer up is the data layer. Of course, you can't train a model, you can't find temporal relationships, and you're not going to discover trends without actual data. ICOAR provides ways to access tweets from Twitter, posts from Reddit, TikToks from, TikTok, and so much more, opening the door for all these further abilities. The next layer is the capability layer, which interacts directly with the data. This includes things such as temporal analysis, where you could see how the frequency of a certain keyword could change over time on a platform. Another example could be user network analysis. How are different users related to each other across a platform? In addition to all these analyses, you could also run detection algorithms, such as, is this post cyber harassment? Is this spreading disinformation, or is this an example of extremism? The final layer is the app layer, which has the goal of orchestrating the various features from the capability layer to allow for full insights into a specific topic, such as analyzing hateful memes on social media, or finding the factors of cyberbullying in images. In essence, the app layer makes it easy to use all of the capabilities together in order to accomplish a certain task. Currently, the app layer takes the form of a website interface with all the capabilities in a menu on the left-hand side. The layer that I personally focused on was the data layer, and I'll actually give a quick demo of that part now. So on the left, you can see all the capabilities, but if we go to the data collection page, you can see that we have the option to select a social media. So I'm going to select Reddit, and we could give it a keyword that it's going to find post for. So we could do something like dance. You could also select the option to remove posts that don't have images, or to select a certain date range, but I'll just click get the most recent post. And we could ask for something like 25 posts. So it just went onto Reddit and actually found these posts. These are the most recent posts that have the keyword dance. So you can see dance is usually going to be in the titles, or if not in the titles, probably somewhere in the text. But one thing that you'll notice is that most of these posts don't actually have text. So that's something that we can actually fix with a different capability. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to save these onto my hard drive, and then if I go to the pre-processing capability, I can select the dance data set that we just saved, load it, and then we could actually, come over. You can notice that a lot of them don't have text, but it goes up to index 24. So if I choose the option remove empty text and process, it'll actually remove the posts that don't have text. So you can see now they all have text. Of course, that has the consequence of now we only have 11 posts rather than 25. But then we can then rename this. We call this dance, P for processed, and then save it. So that's kind of a short demo of the data layer. So to conclude, ICOAR is continuing to make great strides in building this cyber infrastructure needed for online abuse research, and a big part of that will be expanding its data collection options and abilities across all major social platforms, while always maintaining a user-friendly interface. Thank you.